Hello everybody! Just got done changing the oil in my truck, and about that time I had a special delivery from Superclean. So I've got a lot of oily tools and all accessories to clean up. So let's go out to the backyard to the outdoor sink and open the package out there and get started. Well, let's open up the box. Got a can of the foam. And a bottle of the spray. Let's take a quick look at the write-up on this product. And please pause if you want to read something a little more carefully. And on the back side is where this product is available. So before I get started, let's take a look at the dilution rate. So we're going to go full strength today, because we're kind of in the category of auto parts, engines, stuff like that. Because got some oil to clean up. So we'll take a look at some of these others. That's all the type of stuff it'll clean, and the ways to dilute it. And there's the product lineup. I wouldn't mind having a giant vat of it around the house. That would probably last me the rest of my life. But we have got this one here and the aerosol. Actually, wouldn't mind having some of that. So let's get started on what I've got to clean up and see if it will indeed dissolve grease super easy, super fast. So my plan is to spray everything down. Might try the foam on the pan and the oil bowl here. Let that soak. And the trusty old oil pan, the drip pan. Start rinsing my tools off here. Might need a little more. And then the funnel. Looking pretty good. This guy's a little bit dirty yet. But look how that oil just falls off. Not a problem. Give it a light scrubbing. And that's that. The tools are clean. Now this still needs a little help, so we'll try the spray. That oil was on there real thick. A little stubborn spot here on the edges, but it's making quick work of it. Look at that. So let's rinse. So that took the bulk of it off. Go over it once more, and it should be good and clean. And that oil changing pan is clean once more, ready for the next time. This has been soaking a bit. Let's get it cleaned up. And we'll rinse. And that's also clean and ready to be put away. There's the funnel. The filter wrench. $15mm and 14mm combo. So that's all my oil change tools, all cleaned up with Superclean. Tough Task Cleaner Degreaser. It dissolves the grease super easy, super fast.